REKR stock analysis, super interesting. In this 1 minute video, I'm covering whether it's a buy or not for me, so watch till the end. I've done 35,000 videos, so over the last 4 years, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, so watch till the end. And with Rekor Systems, this is how my chart look like. So I already have my drawings here set. To be very frank with you, my most recent prediction was a +4R here, and I do have the links to back it up. Way before anything happened, when I called that long side prediction, right? This was 2 weeks ago, and since that's delivered, I'm still looking to take things up even here. And there was a day trade opportunity, but rules never got met. What actually happened, because the rules never got met, I abandoned the stock. I never looked at it, and the price came down exactly in my demand and then started picking things up here. This would have been a crazy good buy as long as I looked at this, but I just did not. So it's quite unfortunate, but again, I'm still open for more longs. If the price comes down, shows me rules, then I'm looking to take things up. Other than that, I'm just not gonna force. You see all these other ticker symbols on the right. No need to force moves. There's always going to be opportunity in the market. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.